quiet of the ground, where the smallest dreams are found, a single seed begins to wake, stirring softly for its sake. Hidden layers start to rise, reaching slowly toward the skies. Each new moment breaks the shell, holding stories yet to tell. This is where beginnings grow, in the patience roots bestow. From the tender, humble start, life awakens heart by heart. Every sprout and every turn comes from what we choose to learn, gently shaping what will be from the seed of possibility. Tiny pathways branch and weave, forming truths we can believe. What was simple, small and still, grows through care and steady will. From this spark new worlds appear, born from hope instead of fear. Layers open, showing more than the sea could hold before. This is where beginnings grow, in the patience roots bestow. From the tender,